we don't have a lot of time, but I think we have to go through my presentation quickly because I prepared a few important slides for you because these slides will be useful for your next assignment. So yes, let's just go through it. Yeah, I prepared also a part of AI a bit, but okay, let's go through. I guess all of you using like some AI tools, ChatGPT, Midjourney, something like this. Yeah, you're totally fully aware of this like importance of using this tool of its productivity. Okay, so let's go through. Here I want to like show example how we at our company use the Midjourney. So we had a task like create design Christmas cards. So we use like this prompt. So we like clarify for Midjourney what we are going to create. I've always struggle with this bar and forgot how to collapse it. Okay, like so, yeah. This is our prompt for Midjourney, and first results, as you can see, this like interesting images regarding to our request. But we improved our request and received this like set of elements, and then we implemented these elements in our Christmas card. This is my colleague Katerina who made it. Yeah, so in our work, Midjourney is very important because it provides us opportunity to create a lot of elements very quickly instead of using like stores or like some website with store images. So yeah, now please.
Right now, like on Python.
Yes, I guess yes. Unfortunately, yes, it's $20, something like this. But yeah,
Because they had like a Discord server.
yeah, but now they have web version of Midjourney. It's very useful, but yeah, and if you need to create a lot of images, better to pay $20 instead of pay a year subscription for sites like Shutterstock, Freepik, Unsplash, and so on. Yeah, so yeah. Another type of AI tools is, I guess you use it properly, already know how to do it. Yes, it's ChatGPT. Just quickly go through. So yeah, we use in our design work ChatGPT for such purposes. So when we are going to create something new, we can ask ChatGPT how to like be suggest a color palette or something of concept to give me homepage section ideas and so on. Also, we can I use paid version. Also, I have to use paid version of ChatGPT, and I can like send ChatGPT picture, and ChatGPT can review my design and suggest something. So yeah, this way. Or and I suggest you to doing this. You can the third option. You can improve the text on your website, the copywriting, basically using ChatGPT instead of using Lorem Ipsum or something. You can like ask ChatGPT to create the proper text for your website, and because yeah, ChatGPT like it's very useful in this case. So yeah, okay, let's move to the next slide. Yeah, we skip this because I see the results. Next topic. Now all of you like aware of how the landing page look like. We like covered the topics like section purpose, like hero section, testimonials, and so on. And now, yeah, but landing page or home page is not only one page on the website. Usually, website consists like with in different types of pages. And today we are going to like talk about another type of pages. It's container page and text page. And this will be the part of your next assignment to create for your landing page, for your website, 2 more pages, one container page and one text page. Yeah, container page basically contain the content and usually we create the container page for purpose like to be the hub between the another pages. So as you can see on the example, this is like category page where we can like choose the category and move to the more specific page. Yeah, this type of pages help us to group related content together, provide some overview in a useful way and clear and structured way, and interact with this type of content. We can filter this content, sort and like arrange regarding to our request. So container page. And another type of page is text page. This is pretty simple page. I guess you know about it. Like it could be some about us page or some privacy policy page. So technical pages with a lot of text, which we create this page on purpose to inform users about some agreement, about some, I don't know, basic information. Without any interactive elements or cards and other type of elements, just we keep just text and that's all. So it could be article, guide, documentation, and so on. And we focus only on readability. So we use headings, body text, and keep this page pretty simple. Okay, now you're aware of this. And another important part of the design process is to adapt your mockups, your designs to the other devices. So yeah, because now we use a lot of devices. It could be tablets, mobile phones, desktops, laptops, and so on. And your website needs to be like to work on these devices properly. So pay attention to this slide. This is like breakpoints. It's like I guess you will like investigate this topic more on your future lessons with Ivan and on front-end side. But for now, no. Like okay, but yeah, as you can see, for different types of devices, we use different types of resolutions. This is a basic idea, and that's it. For fonts, you see the range, yes, from 320 pixels to 480, and yeah, for tablets, another resolution. For tablets, we have two type of rotation, horizontal and vertical. Then we can see the desktop resolution types. There are a lot of options here. And for big desktops, like we have another type of resolution. So yeah. Yeah, the part of your assignment is the task about adaptive design, and you need to when you will create your mobile version of your website, pay attention to these three important points. Try to avoid pop-up, because on mobile devices pop-up is very hard to like interact. If we use it like very often, the pop-up, like on the first example, it blocked the content. It's hard to interact because users tries to avoid these pop-ups and very often miss this close button. So for mobile devices, pop-ups is not a very good solution, and try to avoid pop-ups. Also, in the center, we see like minimize the menu. This is a common problem because usually when we created this version of landing page. We have like logotype here and a lot of options here and button here. So, and we need to figure out how it looks like it will look on mobile devices. So the better way to reduce these elements is to group it and hide in menu. So here we have logo, button, and menu. Like it's like it calls like burger menu or something. Very common thing, but yeah, you can use it when you need to adapt your desktop version to mobile. You can like collapse it and use the burger menu. And don't forget about the screen size of mobile phone and about new type of interaction, because when we use desktop version, we use click. Yeah, we use our mouses and so on. But when we use mobile version of websites, we use our fingers, and we need to keep the button size, the tab area, at least 44 pixels. So yes, this could be like 44 pixels. Because it's about our fingers. If you create a very small button, it's hard to user to interact with such types of buttons. Text size, yeah, it's also a common problem. How to adapt the desktop text and fonts to mobile screen. In general, you can like keep the body text the same. If you have, for instance, 16, you can keep it. But for headings, it's better to reduce the size. So you will often use for headings, for titles, large fonts like title, and it could be like 72 pixels. But for mobile devices, you need to reduce it to like 22 pixels and so on, because in mobile, this size for mobile devices, our desktop versions is very big. Okay. Yeah, at this point, I guess we can move to the practice part. We have at least 20 minutes for this. Maybe you have some questions, because I'm trying to like cover all the slides very quickly. And yeah. Container page, text page, mobile phones, AI.
Components and these kind of issues. And this type of.
Okay, yeah, it's sometimes a lot of work to adapt to mobile version, your desktop version. Okay. But you can just skip some very hard elements.
I'll just copy. I will just copy and be like.
Okay. Okay, so I invite you. I invite you to classwork 5. Yeah, we have 20 minutes. Let's try. Let's try to do the pretty simple exercise. Yeah, here we have like I just want to show you how the breakpoints work. Like imagine you started using the mobile version, then you move to the tablet, and then you move to the desktop version. So yeah, as you can see, the elements behave differently, and yeah, and pay attention to this burger menu. Yeah, this is pretty clear example how it could be. Okay, but now let's try to do this one, task 1. You can copy. Yeah, I keep all your section here, so you can just copy the task 1, the desktop and mobile version, let's say here, and try to make, this is like just for reference. You can keep this for references, but you will work with this one. So, and try to figure out how to make desktop version from desktop version, mobile version. Yeah. This is not very hard, but I suggest you to start. You can start like this, but better to copy, let's say, these cards, and you can arrange it. If you're aware of how the after layout work, you can use this panel. As you can see, we have here 3 cards in after layout. You can like change the direction from horizontal to vertical, add some size, and you receive the first version of this card, and then you can put it into also you can reduce, as I said, the title size. 96 is very big, let's say something like this. We can I suggest you to take burger menu from here. You can replace it here. We can delete this one and create mobile version, and we still have this problem with this card, so you can just rearrange it. Yes, something like this, and pay attention to the spacing. You can reduce it to 24, something like this. This is very close to mobile version. Yeah. Also, here we have 3 cards. We can change the direction of after layout like this, and as a result we have this. So yeah, please copy this desktop version and try to create the mobile version. If you want you can also use the task 2. If you faced with some challenges, you can see how to do it. Yeah, pay attention to this right panel, and you need to change the direction of the after layout.
After layout is our biggest enemy or our biggest.
Yes,
It
it's
depends on the task.
it's okay. That's now it seems a bit strange, but if we reduce the desktop version to mobile version, we receive this. And now we need only to delete this one. Take okay. Yeah, take the menu, burger menu, and replace it here. And that's it. So yeah, a few clicks and almost ready. We need just to reduce the spacing, and we received, as a result, we received mobile version. Yeah. So after layout, yes, our biggest friend, or sometimes, yeah, if we have a lot of after layouts in our designs, sometimes it's very hard to manage because they always try to do some mess in your design. But
I'm just trying to see how we are able to find working with it.